What's up everybody, back with another video. Today we are going to be driving a C7 ZO6. This is a 2018. This is a 6.2 liter supercharged V8, 650 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque. And this thing's an absolute machine. This can do 207 miles an hour. Can keep up with pretty much any supercar for a quarter of the price. Thing is moving. We gotta hear this underpass. This thing sounds amazing. You can hear that supercharger whine just enough. It's not quite like a HELLCAT where it's, you know, almost all you hear, but man, you can hear it. Every underpass, I just want to crack the windows and floor it. Downshift, 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 downshift. Wow, that sounds very good. I don't want to do too much talking in this video because this car just sounds so good, but the price you pay for this car, you know, this car's $55,000. You're getting the speed, sound of any supercar. I mean, maybe not the handling. The handling's great, but it's not like, you know, McLaren is like on a line. You're controlling that thing so precisely. This has a little play in it, especially when you're accelerating. But it's still a very nice handling car. This thing, you think you're almost at the top of the power band and then it just takes off. It's so fast. It pulls so hard. you know, guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I want to be able to drive more of these cars for y'all. But yeah, the last video did super well. Y'all really like that X5M competition, and let's see how this one can do. This thing is sweet, right? Drop a comment below if this is your dream car. This is certainly one of mine. If you've made it this far in the video, I want you to comment your dream car. Alright? It could be your top 3 if you don't have just one. Because I got like a top 50. I mean, I love every car I've driven so far. Except the Fisker Ocean.